Is it fixed? Open it back up. Fix your engine. Turn it. You got your baby tool? Where's Daddy's? Where's Daddy's tool? You fixed your engine. Hey. Eric, is this Daddy's? This is the daddy. This is the daddy one. You want to try that one? Here, fix your engine. Fix your engine. Fix your engine. I'll take the baby one. You can use Daddy. You got the right idea there. Change your spark plugs. You want me to hold that? No, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Go ahead, fix it.
Give me that.
Okay.
Oh, stuck in it. It's stuck in it. I stick it, dirty one.
All done? Is it fixed? Alright, enough of that.